A very good evening, dear all, and welcome to this session on writing section. This session is for both class 11th and 12th because all the the items in the writing section are the same, and so we are going to start with advertisement writing today, and this is for both class 11th and 12th. So, dear children, what you are going to learn today? So, you are going to learn after this session the special features of an advertisement, what are the different types of advertisements, what are the value points and presentation styles of a particular advertisement, the marking scheme for advertisement as per CBSE, and also to make display and classified as to advertisement by attempting the questions given. I think this the you are aware of the advertisement every day, whether you are watching TV or reading a newspaper or a magazine, anything whatever you do, you always come across advertisements. So there are various types of advertisements. So in nutshell, what advertisements are? So advertisements are a sort of public notices asking for or offering services or buying and selling property, goods, etc. or providing information about missing persons or objects. So this is actually advertisements. Okay, so if we see it broadly, the advertisements are of two types. I'm talking about printed media. I'm not talking about TV and the online advertisements. I'm not talking about them. I'm talking about printed media because you are supposed to write the advertisements. So we find that there are two types of advertisement, and these advertisements are in your syllabus too. The first type, which is very common and mostly used, is classified, and the other is display or commercial. So, classified advertisements, the main features are that they are categorized into columns according to different classes. They require less space and more economical. They are written in short phrases and words, and the language used is very simple and concise. So these are classified advertisements. The second types of advertisements are display, or we also call them commercial advertisements. So these type of advertisements are designed for commercial purpose according to different classes. They require more space, and because they require more space, they are more expensive in terms of the advertising cost. They are visually attractive with catchy slogans and punchlines. Yes, they do have witty expressions and pictures or some sketches as well. And the sizes are also, font size are also different, and the different shapes are also used. Means different styles of font and sizes are used, and the language is colorful and lucid. Don't get confused, dear children. When we will come to the what we say examples, the things will get clearer in your head. Yes. So marking scheme. Dear children, marking scheme is same for all four uh, short compositions. Like for class 11, poster, advertisement, notice writing. For class 12, notice writing, poster making, advertisement writing, and your invitation. So the format is same. The format for marking scheme is same. For format, you get 1 mark. For content, you get 2 marks, and for expression, you get 1 mark. Altogether, 4 marks. Word limit is 50, and the time it is required is 5 to 7 minutes. So this is actually your marking scheme of your advertisements. Now let us the other example, which is your classified advertisement. So you will see here in the picture, these are the classified examples of classified advertisement. You pick up any newspaper, uh, you may see inside there is one section called classified advertising or classified, just classified. And you will see all boxes with information. So these are actually classified advertisements. And the features of classified advertisements are that they clearly state the category at the top, for example, for sale, to let. All necessary are given points using commas and have to be very brief and give only significant information. It should be worded beautifully and tastefully. It should not be jumbled. Language should be very simple and concise, and the matter is put in a box. Yes, all. As I told you, just keep it in your head that all short composition must be okay. They are engaged in box, and it must have contact address, name, and telephone number. It should never be lengthy, and you do not get complete sentences. And yes, with the address, contact address, you may write emails. These days, they are very much in fashion. So now it's clear. Classified advertisement, dear children. I'm explaining you now first category of advertisement, that is classified advertisement. Second category, display or commercial advertisement, do after the completion of classified advertisements. From the picture, the things may be clear to you, but still, you will more clarification. Let's move ahead. Yes. So kinds of classified advertisements. So there will be any, like bride or bridegroom wanted, situation vacant wanted, lost found, sales purchase, accommodation wanted, educational placement services, like tuition, packers and movers, kennels, travel tours, public appeal. You know what are packers and movers? Which help in the shifting of house. Yes, format of classified. So remember, the format is very, very simple. What is heading in capital letters? Because you have to be very much clear. Like the heading for sale, to let, according to the need of your advertisement. The word should not, word limit should not exceed 50 words, and the cut should be grammatically correct. Here, it grammatically means the meaning should be clear and the spelling should be right, and clear and precise description. Classified advertisements are supposed to be shorter. Dear children, for this, you have to pay for this space. The space which you are occupying for the advertisement in the newspaper, every this you have to pay for the space. So, give more information in less space is the need of classified uh, advertisement. Okay, and see here. Uh, the heading should be in capital. The heading should be in capital, and this is the box, just comma, comma, and full stops. And you are supposed to, you're just supposed to, we say here, write the address. Address is important, and the contact number. Suppose if you are giving some advertisement, and everything you have written the heading, you have written the matter, but if you are not, you have not given the address, then who is going to contact you, and when and how? So this is difficult. Some of the classified advertisements have post box numbers. So that is a special service given by post offices. So don't be confused if you come across such advertisement in newspaper. Okay? So three things important: the heading, address at the end, and in the middle all the information. Just comma, put a comma, comma, or full stop, and just proceed. Now let us come to one type of classified advertisement. The first type of classified advertisement. This is to let on property. So is that details of kind of house, like flat, plot, independent house, what type of house it is, what is the relation, kind of area or colony, number of rooms, kitchen, garage. Because if suppose I am looking for two bedroom set and that is there and not informing it whether it's 2 BHK or 3 BHK or simply 1 BHK, so it's going to be very difficult for me to finalize it. And even if I go, it is going to be wasted. So the number of rooms and type of apartment should be very clear. And adjectives like airy, furnished, newly built, fitted with modern gadgets, sun face if it is, and many more. So you can write anything. Contact address and phone number, and can give email also. That's important. So let us see the example. So property for sale. Property for sale. See, I'm reading. For sale, Vaishali Nagar, JDA flats, SFS 2, ground floor, two bedrooms, DID with full interiors, car parking available, East Park facing, best location, market nearby, owner sitting abroad, reasonable price, contact AB Singh, phone number. So teacher, you see that all the informations are given just by putting a comma, and then here is you see the title, the heading, and the end, the address, the phone number is given. Minimum at least phone number is given. Okay, I'm just checking if I am live. Thank you. Okay, so this is one example of property for sale. Now let us come to the second example, which is very, very important. Dear children, I want to explain two things together now. So, generally, children are confused at this place. That's why I'm explaining. Children, situation means job. Okay. And there are two things, wanted and vacant. People understand the difference between vacant and wanted. Vacant meaning is clear, empty. So, who gives generally this type of advertisement? Generally, the companies they send these vacant situation vacant advertising in the newspaper that XYZ is there. This is the requirement for the job. Those who are eligible may apply or walk in interview on XYZ date. Okay, there is one which is said situation wanted in which the person himself advertises. The person advertises himself. For example, XYZ, I'm XYZ. I hold these qualification. I have this much experience. I want the people, those who were wish to hire me, to contact me. So both the ways. So both of these appear in your exam: situation vacant and situation want. So please don't get confused. Vacant, just think of it. Vacant, job is not there, somebody is not there. I want someone to join it. Wanted, I want something. Okay. So this is going to be the easy trick for you to remember. So now let us come to the first category: situation vacant. So, as I told you, this is advertised by company. Company's name must be there. Then, what are the requirements for the education and the experience that should be mentioned? Then, type of job, whether a knowledge of English and computers are needed or not. What are the personalities they want? What is the time limit within to reply? And also salary offered and the contact address that's compulsory. Fine. So see here the example: situation vacant, like here. Delhi Public School, Panipat requires VGTs, TGTs, PRTs for its coming session 2018-19. Candidates should have good command on the subject, excellent communication skills, pleasing personality, sanguine approach to teach students, essential qualification required for the post. Walk-in interview on 17th April. Model Town, Panipat, Haryana. Full contact number. Or information given, putting a comma. No complete sentences. At the top, very clear heading. At the end, the address and the phone number. And in the middle, all the information needed. Okay. Next, more example of situation vacant. So, Vasant International School requires a smart young receptionist possessing excellent spoken English and a pleasing personality. Full stop. Working knowledge of computer is essential, comma, or you can put full stop as well. Excellent salary and prospects for deserving. Only eligible candidate eligible may see, they are not even adding candidate. It's clear. Only eligible may come for a walk in interview along with testimonials at this time, this is date, to this place. Clear? So the heading, what is the purpose of the this advertisement, which post is vacant, and where to contact. So you have seen two examples of situation vacant. Now let us come to situation did. Okay. So remember, it is going to begin with situation wanted, because the person who needs job is advertising himself or herself. Mention the post looking for. For example, I am looking for the post PGT English. Okay. Age and gender of the candidate, qualification and experience of the post requirement. What is my qualification? If suppose if I am advertising myself, so I will tell what I want. I'm looking for what post, what is my gender and what is my age, what is my qualification, what experience I am having, what my pay scales and perks which I expect. I should also must write. The company tells, okay, we are going to give you this much salary or salary negotiable. Similarly, I may also ask, I need this much salary, not less than this. So those companies or the organization who feel just they can hire me, they may contact. Otherwise, not. Yes, contact address and the phone number. Suppose if I somebody likes my advertisement and wish to hire me, then they cannot contact me without my address and phone number. And yes, expected time to join. Time it has, you must see that in situation weekend also it is said that how much time you will take to join. You will take 1 month to join, you will take 1 week to join, or 10 days to join. So you have to clearly mention immediate joining. I will join immediately, or joining will be after 1 month. So the need varies. So according to the question also you can draft your answer. So here is an example of situation wanted. Again, clear situation vacant is from the company or the organization or the institute, and situation wanted is from the person who wished himself or herself to be hired. So situation wanted is, for example, oh fine, looking for a job of PGT English in one of the private schools. Did post graduation from Indira Gandhi University. Have 5 years experience. Excellent communication skills. Pleasing personality. Salary negotiable. Available for interview and demonstration on all working days. Please contact phone number. Okay. So I hope that both of the advertisements are clear to you as situation vacant and situation wanted, and property also. I have discussed property also with you. And now comes the vehicles on sale. So sometimes it happens we sell our old vehicles. So how to advertise for those? Not only vehicles but for the other item as well. Like for example, if I want to sell my TV, if I want to sell my refrigerator, any item I want to sell. So the important points are to be included all, like for example for vehicles, model number, year of manufacturing, mileage, color, whether it is single hand driven or not, good condition, may invite for test drive. Okay, you may say, yeah, anyone who wishes to have it today may have it. Accessories like whether seat covers are there, mats are there or not, stereo, this music system, and yes, about papers, insurance details also you may give, and there's price. At what price you will be selling your vehicle. So example is here, for example, our 2003 model. Very clearly, the very first word uh, mentions 2003 model. Light blue Centro only. Yeah, or you can do one thing. You can, instead of vehicle, you can also write car on sale. That is going to be more clearer. So I think that that's better than vehicle. So you may write car on sale. Okay, I will do it. Car on sale. So this is a better heading. So car on sale, a 2003 model light blue Centro, only 12,000 kilometer driven in good condition. single hand drive, Pioneer music system, excellent mileage, new tires and seat covers, fully insured, can drive on any weekend. Expected price 2.85 lakhs. Only genuine buyers may contact Gaurav Singh, address and phone number or dial. All the things have been included, and the word limit is also complete. Yes, one more. The other category of classified advertisement is matrimonial. I think come across is very much matrimonial for two, either for bride or for the bridegroom. Bride wanted, bridegroom wanted. So, what is going to be there? Yes, age, height, appearance, education, whatever profession, if working or not working, income, what is the salary, caste, religion. Like it is very common in Indian newspapers. When you look for matrimony, you will find what is the caste and the religion, and yes, contact address or the post box number of the newspaper if it is given. So here is for bride wanted. Status alliance invited from a highly respectable family with beautiful and absolutely handsome girl for a tall, fair and handsome boy. See, cast 24 oblique 17 centimeters. Graduate, well settled, owning a small scale factory in Parvano, ME, HP. So very clear what job is. With no liability. Father chief executive in a multinational company. Only sister married. About family. What father is and what about the other siblings. Horoscope must. So this is sometime must in Indian marriages. And post box, and it's not necessary that you should write always a post box. You may write the address directly, no problem. Fine. So this is bride wanted, and post bridegroom wanted. Same. Respect as alliance invited for a highly respectable family with whatever beautiful but handsome boy, handsome tall fair boy for a beautiful homely simple girl. Anything you may write. You may simply look for the other matrimonials in the newspaper. Now the another type of classified is pets and kennels. This is also very common. So what are pets and cats? Dogs and then cats. Generally, these are the pets kept, bought and kept in. So you have to mention what is the breed, number of pets, color, bloodline, whether male or female, age, details of inoculation, then price expected, and genuine buyers to contact, giving contact address and telephone number. See the example. So Laurastina's Kennel Patiala offer. Say, like what is kennel? Kennel is somewhat like you understand the shop where all these pets are on sale. Okay, and sometimes people also sell. For example, if I have Persian cats and they have breeded and I am having 6, 7 kittens, and I wish to sell them, they are very costly. So I can also put an advertisement that kittens of Persian cats are on sale and where the details are. So but this is a kennel. So it is saying that offer unique, outstanding, and heavy-headed Labrador pups, Doberman, German Shepherds, Pomeranian dog, stud, and pups for sale because it is a kennel. Fine. You may also contact farm and address and the phone. Missing person. Yes, this is also one of the category. So what we are supposed to write for the missing persons: name, age, and sex of child and person, date since when missing, build, height, complexion, color of hair and eyes, specify when and where he or she last seen and in which colors, any particular identification mark, indicate reward, and contact name and address. So here's an example of classified missing person. 5-year-old boy, fair complexion, short mole on left cheek since 4th June. Year last seen near Dholakua at 5 p.m. Wearing white shirt and blue pants. Informer will be rewarded handsomely. Contact, address, and phone number. Okay. Now, current for sale. I was talking about when I was telling you about the car on sale. So the for sale also. So there you may put anything on sale. So yes, you have to write the item name, brand name, year of manufacturing, general condition, the price required on which you are selling, and the reason for sale. Yes, because I will be confused. Why this man is selling the refrigerator? Maybe it's not working properly and he got it fixed somehow and selling it. So yes, you must give the reason. And then contact address and telephone number, and also indicate the date you wish to contact. So there may be anything on sale, TV may be on sale, your refrigerator may be on sale, many things. So here is an example with many things like white Samsung refrigerator, model this, Samsung TV 24 inches, model this, available for sale at the attractive, a very attractive price. Both items touch free, almost new, under warranty. Reason for sale, owner going abroad. Interested, contact for name, phone number, address. Lost and found. I think this you are very much aware of. So same as you used to write your notice in your from 6 to 8 class, that you have to specify item, brief physical description, when found or lost, rewards if any, contact address and phone number. Yes, I simply keep on looking if I am online. Okay, luckily online. Yes, somebody is saying the PPT is very nice. Don't worry, I will be giving it to you on the web page. Okay, something wrong. Oh, so lost and found. So begin with lost or found. I was telling you brief physical description, when and where found, lost, reward, and contact address and phone number. So yes, very specific. What is found? A green colored briefcase, white line route, from where it was found, when it was found, and what is written there, and where to contact to take it back. One more comes travels and tours with package available, name of travel agency, destination, duration, details of package, then cost and the contact address. So here is an example, like travel and tours available, package of Mauritius, 3 nights, 4 days, breakfast, dinner, all things. Then for how much? 10,000 per head. Special discount for booking till 10 July. Towards on old example. So contact and the phone. Dear children, now relax. Why relax? Classifieds are over. Okay. So now here are many questions for practice. So don't worry. So you are having many questions for practice. So because I will be sharing this PPT with you on the web page, so you can see this PPT and also please practice these questions, because the more variety you attend, the more you know about it and you are confident, you get confident. One more suggestion I would like to give you for classified advertisement, and that is, I have discussed all the categories with you. Dear children, take any English newspaper and look for the classified section, and the advertisements which you feel have good language or good words written in it to explain something, just cut it and paste it in your notebook and do mention. Like for example, if you are writing for sale, so for sale advertisement will be pasted under that page. Okay. Why I'm saying suggesting you this, because you will be having a lot of vocabulary with you, lot of phrases with you, and when the time comes for you to write the answer, you will be having plenty of ideas, vocabulary, and style to write. Okay, so do this, and yes, please do practice. Now, dear children, let us come to second category, display or commercial advertisement. And don't worry, this will not take much time. Commercials, this classifieds are actually, because of the variety, it takes time. But display commercial advertisements are very simple. So the important tips to be followed have to be visually attractive, may use varying font and style, size and shape, catchy, lucid and persuasive language. You must blend the slogan, metaphors, catchy phrases, catchy captions. A name and address of the advertisers is must. Yes box is compulsory. I told you All 4 marks short composition should be in box. Essential trade details like name of the company, institute, organization, details regarding the product, event, educational course, special offers, discount, and address of the company and institute. That's must. So now I am going to show you examples. So here example, this is for call center, job in call center. So some call center is offering job. So what they are doing, see the different font styles, address is given, then details are given. Okay. Yes, though no figures are used here, but still the things smaller and bigger styles. Are you seeing? In classified advertising, everything goes in a single line, same line, comma, same line, comma, same line. But here you see the display is different. It is more visual, active. And yes, space is also bigger than the classified. And then the one who is advertising has to pay more. See the other example. It resembles your poster. Resembles your poster. So here, a Children's Day celebration. So where it is celebrated, what are the special features, discount, where, and when, date, time, place, all mentioned. So here are some solved examples in your study material. I have just copied and pasted it here. So educational institutes. So for the classes, date, time, place. What is this? Is some for coaching institute, and here it is a book fair. So you can see the information, date, time, place, organizers. This is compulsory. Organizers or whom to contact. That's very, very important in all the advertisement, whether display or whether classified. See some more example. See how this box is used. Yes, and yes, you can have some little design as well. See, address, phone number. Okay, so yes, so now it's over for you to practice exercises. So these are the examples which you practice. So thank you for here, but please don't leave because I'm going to share with you something very important. So here children, in writing section with explanation, what is important? The important is that you practice and you require to practice a lot. In writing section, there is only one mantra and the mantra is that you should practice. Okay. I am sharing this link with you. Here you find the PPT. Okay. So you can, it's in a video form, so you can play it and see it if you have some confusion and attempt the question because I cannot but I cannot look into the answers of each and every one of you. So the best thing for you is to contact your teachers. Okay, so you contact your teachers when you just do your you write the question and the answer and share your answers with your teacher and they will guide you. Okay, so I think this session was fruitful to you. I wish to take posters also, but now it's too much. I know you are tired. It was a quite lengthy. So just once just to revise the important point. Okay. So just the last final touch, 2 minutes more, and then you may leave. And next class, which is going to be on Monday, I think I should take a poster, and poster is very simple. So along with the poster, either I will plan some other thing, or I will give you time to practice for poster. Okay. So dear children, what are advertisement? You all are aware of advertisement. In our syllabus, what we talk about? We talk about printed advertisements. Okay. So what type? How many types of advertisements are there? There are two types of advertisement. One is classified and other is displayed. In classified, we have to be very short and concise, and we have to be very clear about two things, three things. The heading should be in capital letter, very bold, visible easily, your address, and the main body is just putting all the information and computing with comma. You're not going to write complete sentences. You have just to write the words, the description, and comma. Okay. And the other type of advertisement is your display advertisement. In display advertisement, you need not to do many things. It is more like you have to be more creative. You may use some slogans, you may use some jingles, you may use some catchy phrases. Yes, again, the title and the address is compulsory, and the in the body, the details which you are going to put in, that should be very beautifully arranged. You may use different font styles. This should not be done with classified, yes, but with display you can use different font styles and also font sizes. So this was advertisement. I have already given you, and yes, the questions for your classified advertisements are more, because generally most of the time classified advertisement is there in your question paper, and for display there are less. And yes, I suggest you to make a notebook. In your notebook, please do paste all the examples, and yes, don't just cut and paste. Classify them to for sale. All the examples of for sale should be pasted there. The original examples from the newspapers. uh, to let, all the examples. Matrimonial, bride wanted, all the at least 4 to 5 example page there. Bridegroom wanted, 4 to 5 examples must be there. Okay, so this is my suggestion to you, which I also suggest to my students. So till Monday, thank you. See you on Monday. Till then, bye. Yes, I'm giving, dear children. There's one question that give us many activities which help us to learn writing topics. Yes, dear children, these are the 4 marks short composition. So I am giving the questions to practice and also the important points which you should focus upon. Okay, and when I will come to on the lengthy composition, I will give you some shared language as well. Okay, some shared also languages also. Again, you want, I have shared the link with you. You are asking where I have it. Again, I'm sharing the link. Thank you. Bye till Monday. See you Monday. Bye.